In a hospital, you often see that a group of people are beating the doctors because the people understand that because of the negligence of doctor, the patient has lost their life. Into some cases, it is true also because doctors do commit mistakes. But in many cases, doctors do not commit mistakes and they had to lose their lives because people are beating them. They had to also fight for their safety and they have to also fight for their rights. Now the question come here is that whether the doctors are service provider or not and whether their rights should be managed or not. In 1995, there is a ruling by Supreme Court in which it has said that doctors are the service providers and they should be covered under the Consumer Protection Act. Hello everyone, welcome to the new series of Drishti IS. I am Ritu and today's session is about 1995 ruling and why Supreme Court has asked to reconsider this ruling. And this session is important for your GS2 as well as GS3 perspective. So moving towards the points of discussion part. First of all, we are going to discuss the news, then we are going to discuss the 1995 case, that what was the case and what Supreme Court has opined into this case. Then we are going to discuss what are the different types of services according to the doctor, and then we are going to discuss practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share and subscribe to the Drishti IS channel. Moving towards the news part. So on Tuesday, what had happened that Supreme Court said that its 1995 ruling must be reconsidered. And why it must be reconsidered? Because there is a debate over in mainstream media that whether lawyers should be counted as a service provider or not. Then lawyers are must part of the service provider, but they are not covered under Consumer Protection Act. Similarly, the doctors also said that they should be also thought that their profession should be also reconsidered by the Supreme Court because they are not just like other professionals. Their profession is very much different. So whatever the norms and standard procedure are followed to the other profession, it should not follow to the doctors. So by looking all these things, Supreme Court has decided that it will reconsider its own ruling, which is the 1995 ruling. So this is the news we are going to cover up in today's session. Moving towards the case part, that what was the 1995 case. So in 1995 case, there was a case which is Indian Medical Association versus VP Santha case, and in which Supreme Court has delivered a decision that whether doctors should be part of Consumer Protection Act 1986, then 1986, right now we have 2019. So whether they should be part of CPA 1986 or not, and Supreme Court has delivered its judgment and it said that doctors should be in the ambit of Consumer Protection Act 1986. However, this decision was so many questioned, and right now the question is that doctors are not professionals like others. They are not a corporate employees. So whatever the duties they are performing, that is very different from the manual labor and a different labor. And Supreme Court has also admitted that doctors professions are very much different, but they are also providing the service, and if they commit any kind of mistakes, then they must be liable under the Consumer Protection Act 1986, right now Consumer Protection Act 2019. So this is the thing. Then we come to the next one. Next one is about medical professional provide a service. So in 1995, the court acknowledged that professional occupation are often skilled work that require mental rather than manual effort. We already know this. And however, the court held that doctors still owe certain duties to their patient, because whatever the negligence it performed during their duties, if they are not covered under the Consumer Protection Act, then doctors have no this kind of restriction. If they are committing any mistakes, they are not liable to Consumer Protection Act. But there are so many debates relating to this, because so many in doctors profession there are different kind of services, and Supreme Court has also given a no what you can say and glance on the services, that what are the different kind of services and whether they are liable or not. So there are different kind of services. The first service is that one is paid, another is state sponsored, or it is given to the few people who cannot afford to the doctor's fees or any services. And third is that doctors himself or herself provide the free services. So many times if people are saying that if doctors are providing free services, then why they will be made liable under Consumer Protection Act? So this particular profession is related to the lives of the people, and since they are providing the services, whether they are paid or free, and if they are committing any kind of mistake while performing their services, whether it's paid or free, they must be liable to the court and they must be accountable to their deeds, what they have done. So this is the judgment by the Supreme Court and ruling by the Supreme Court, whether they are performing any kind of the services, they must be answerable to the court and they must be answerable to the Consumer Protection Act. Many debates also happen over that. In Consumer Protection Act, so many individuals are from the judicial background, and what happened that if there is any case related to the doctor or medical background, they don't have any kind of experts who will deal with these kind of the matters. And Supreme Court has said that there are varieties of cases which are happening in front of the Consumer Protection Act, and if we're asking that you need any kind of expert to every services, this is impossible situation in this country. So whatever the rulings and whatever the solutions they are finding out, you must adhere to that solutions. And they are also the expert, judicial experts. So they cannot do anything which is not acceptable to the doctors and which is also not acceptable to the people. So if we are raising question on the Consumer Protection Act, it must be reconsidered. So because of all these debates, because the nature of profession of doctor is very much different, the Supreme Court has said that they will reconsider its decision. And earlier the bench was 2 judges bench, 3 judges bench, but right now they need 5 judges bench to reconsider any decision. And Supreme Court has decided that they will conduct a 5 judge bench, and in that judgment or in that decision they will find out that whether the doctor should be part of Consumer Protection Act or not, and what will happen if any doctor will provide faulty services, what is the definition of services when it comes to the medical profession. And in fact it is not just limited to doctors, here nurses are also liable. So this is the thing. And here they had discussed about the 3 types of services: services given for free of charge to everybody, where everybody pays, and services which exempt certain categories of the people and who cannot afford them from paying. So this is the thing which the Supreme Court has pondered upon the thoughts, and we will discuss what the Supreme Court has delivered its decision after the reconsideration of this particular thing. So coming to the next one. Next one is about the question. So here the question is related to the CPA, which is Consumer Protection Act 2019. And the first statement is, it came into force on 20th July 2020. And the second one is, it is empowered order recall of unsafe goods and services. Here they are asking the correct statement. So you have to answer this into the comment section. Your options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So what you have to understand into this whole scenario or into this whole case, first you need to understand what is 1995 case, and into that case doctors are part of the Consumer Protection Act and what they are reconsidering for. Still now, when the decision has been not made by the Supreme Court, doctors are part of and they are covered under the Consumer Protection Act. So in your prelims examination, if there will be the question related to this, that doctors are liable in front of Consumer Protection Act or not, then your answer must be yes, because till now they are liable. So we should wait for the Supreme Court judgment that whether this reconsideration will bring a good news or any kind of different news for the doctors or not. Till now they are part of the CPA, and different kind of services, whether they are providing free services, whether they are providing the paid services, they are accountable for every kind of services which they provide. So that's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries to this session, kindly ask in the comment section. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.